Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make a beautiful and creative crafts. So take a cardboard and draw the shoe shape on the top of it and cut it, make holes. This is the best way for kids to learn how to tie a shoelace. Here we are going to make multiple cut on the side of the cardboard and we are going to put these colorful yarn or threads. Now we are going to take a bamboo stick and tie another end of the thread and weave through it. Look how we are doing here. You can also use a comb and pull down the thread. Now cut it from the back side, tie the knots and look, it is ready. You can make a mini purse out of it and use it in so many ways. Look how cute this is looking. We're going to cut two small circles from the cardboard and paste these ice cream sticks around it. Now cut more circles and paste graphs around it. Write numbers, make a hole at the center and put the stick and your spinning wheel is ready. Look how fun this game is looking. As you can see, we're going to cut these shapes from cardboard and paste them together. We're going to make the locker. So take this ice cream sticks. You can also cut the eyes and paste all of them and look, it is ready. Cut the shape of the hippopotamus face and we're going to paste the googly eyes. Now using pista shells, we're going to make the teeth of the hippopotamus, paste it and look, it's ready. We're going to cut these shapes from the cardboard and make hole at the center. Now we're going to make a tiger and paste it around it. Now we're going to take colorful strips and make the checkered pattern and look, it's ready. As you can see, we're going to make hole on the cardboard and put these colorful straws inside it. Now put the colorful bottle caps and paste it at the center and look, your game is ready. Here we're going to require this cardboard. Draw the shape of the caterpillar and paste it inside. Make a hole. Paste the bottle cap at the back side and look, it's ready. Cut these shapes and paste them together. Paste numbers and then using this earbud, we're going to paste the spring and marble and look, it is ready. Look at this fun game. Let's learn how you can make it. So cut two circles from cardboard, cut it into half and paste them together like this. Cut more shapes and then paste them together. Make a hole, put these sticks and look, it's ready. Now we're going to cut the extra part and look, it's done. Let's make this colorful clown. Draw the face of the clown, paste googly eyes. Now make multiple holes on the top of it and we're going to roll these colorful pipe cleaners and put it inside the holes. We are going to make the hair of the clown and look how cute and beautiful this is looking. Take this cardboard and make multiple cut on the corners. Paste ice cream stick on both sides. Now take this white thread and then we're going to put it on those cuts. Now take colorful yarn and tie it on the end of the stick. Now weave it like this. You can also use a comb. We're going to make a mini muffler here. After this, cut the threads from back side and tie knot. Remove it and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.